pink bunny rabbit. Just what I always wanted, my own little bunny rabbit. I will name him George, and I will hug him and pet him and squeeze him.
I'm not a bunny rabbit.
And pat him and pet him and...
You're hurting me. Put me down, please.
And rub him and caress him and...
I ain't no bunny rabbit!
Not a bunny rabbit, George? Then how come you have long ears? How come?
Long ears? Oh, those aren't ears. Those are sleeves. So now put me down, please. Huh?
Oh, George, you were naughty to pretend you was a bunny rabbit. I will punish you good. Bad old George.
Look, Doc, I know where there's a real bunny rabbit, a very cuddly and a fubsy rabbit.
And then, after a carrot burger and a malt in Albuquerque...
Oh, Bugsy. Bugsy, buddy.
Oh, hi. What's up, Duck?
Come here, old pal.
My own little bunny rabbit.
Hey, an abominable snowman.
I will name him George, and I will hug him and pet him.
Oh, sure. I know I'm a louse, but I'm a live louse.